if you want to eject a SIM tray from a POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, but you don't have the SIM eject tool, let me just quickly share some information with you on what you can use, what alternatives can you use in order to eject the SIM tray. So you are looking for something that is thin, stiff, and blunt. So if you have something that is thin enough so it fits this hole, and also something that is strong enough so that it doesn't break when you apply a little bit of pressure, and then you should be able to, of course, just insert it into this hole. Now, what are some of the possible options? You can, for example, use a paper clip. It's going to be the best option. Paper clips are usually pretty similar to eject tools, so you can straighten one end, and then you can just point you can put into this SIM tray hole, and then you can just push it into the phone in order to make the SIM tray pop out. You can also use any earring, so if you have like an earring, you can use the post, so the part that goes through your ear, and you can use that part of the earring in order to put it into this hole. Sometimes it's efficient, sometimes it's good enough so that it fits this hole, and it's long enough so you can just poke inside and you can pop out the SIM tray. You can also use, for example, a mechanical pencil. You can use like a you can use the very tip of like a 0.5 millimeter or 0.7 millimeter lead sleeve without the lead, of course. However, you want to be gentle to avoid snapping it. So these are the best tools, the best alternatives that you can use. But once you find your tool, then you can just put it into this hole over here, as I mentioned, and then just push it into the phone, and there we go. The SIM tray pops out, and then you should be able to just remove it from the phone by using your fingernails or fingers. You can insert your SIM cards and just put it back into the phone, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.